Welcome once again to Tall Guy Rides. Today I'm off again with my riding club KRRC to a place called Hewan Hills. And this seems to be like a trend. Last time we had gone to the slopes of hell and this time it's Hewan Hills. If you have seen my ride video to Khandi Point, you would have seen that there are a few windmills right on top of the cliff, and that's where we are headed in today's ride. The route to our destination is fairly simple. All one has to do is get onto the old Bombay Pune highway via the Dehu Road Fata and move towards Bombay, and then take a short U-turn and then get onto the road that leads to MIDC. Beyond that, one has to follow a trail of broken roads. That's the roads are in the process of being made, and then take a sharp left that leads all the way up to a mountain viewpoint, which will be the staging area for Hewan Hills. But first, we need breakfast because this ride is going to be a bit tough and we all need the energy that a good hearty breakfast will give us. So today we are doing our first extreme off-road and we are going to a place called Hewan Hills. So just before this extreme off-road begins, we are having a safety briefing for everyone. After a short but very interesting trail run right alongside the cliff, we reached the staging area for Hewan Hill, and what a view. So I think we have reached the ascent of Hewan Hill, and beyond this I think we will go close to the windmills that are there in the distance. And as usual, we do have some photo sessions going on. So yeah, so after this is where the crazy off-road will start. So let's see how it goes. After a brief respite and a drinks break, we pushed on further, and as you can see now we are riding right next to the windmills. There's amazing trails which are full of dust, gravel and stones, but it was definitely a very fun experience to ride through these conditions, try and maintain traction as well as increase your skill on low traction environments. This free and fast flowing trail was fun, but now it was time for the real off-roading to begin. So we all gathered around again and the ride leader, Sid, gave us further instructions on how to proceed without damaging ourselves or the bike. As you can see, we are riding on a very thin and interesting trail, and one had to be extremely careful of where the front wheel goes so that we avoid crashing the bike's underbellies onto one of these stones. Here you can see a great advertisement for wearing all protective gear while riding. I had a small tumble, and the only piece of gear that I wasn't wearing was my right hand glove, and that's the only place where I actually got a little bit hurt. The rest of me, my knees, my left hand were perfectly fine, even though I had a pretty bad stumble. We again came across a very tricky, technical, rocky decline where one had to be very careful so as to not get injured or cause damage to the bike. And we have a beautiful view of the valley. What valley this is, I could not tell you. And you can see that we have some very entertaining and interesting members who we are riding with. After that very interesting break, we hit the trails again and now are bound to our final destination, which was a particular windmill on this lineup of windmills that was there, which had a very beautiful valley view from that specific windmill. So just watch the rest of the ride and enjoy. And finally, we have reached our destination. Here's a quick look at where we are, and we are taking a much needed water and food break at this point. And that concludes my ride with KRCC to Hewan Hill and the windmills. If you liked the video that you saw, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. And once again, thanks for watching.